All right, parent function and translations. One of our parent functions, which one is this? What's it called?
Parabola.
It is a parabola. That's the graph. The graph is parabola.
Quadratic.
The name is quadratic, yes. All right. So let's graph it. You guys, did we do it enough yesterday that we did it several times yesterday? We can make the table. Let's go ahead and do that for right now. X and f of x. -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. I'll do that for the x. And I'm going to square -2. That is 4. Square -1, that's 1. 0 squared is 0. 1 squared is 1. 2 squared is 4. So -2, 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, 1. 0, 0. 1, 1. 2, 4. Remember 3, 9 is 1? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And -3, 9 would be 1. Okay. There's our parabola. Give the domain and range. Domain. Domain, guys. What is that on this one? Don't be shy.
It's from infinity.
I'm going to go negative infinity for the left side
Okay.
to
It's a positive infinity.
positive infinity on the right side. All right? Range.
You can give me a shadow on there. If you have some questions.
Yes. Now the range. Where does it start? Including or not? All right, so we're going to include 0 and go to infinity. All right? All right, so we just got the parent function graphed and everything. Now, we've got, I wonder if you remember this, that we are going to describe the translation of this in the general terms here. Of x equals x plus h squared plus k. We will, what's the word you want to use? Slide, translate, shift. What do you want to translate? All right. That's probably the best word to use there. Translate. Let's say translate the graph, because we're talking about the graph here, of the parabola. If we have this, we'll translate it h units, what's the plus, what's the positive, counterintuitive, left. H units left, plus is left. And k units, when it's outside of the function like this, it's up or down, and plus is up. Yes, k units up. Is everybody comfortable with that? We got started on that yesterday. We're just kind of reviewing that. Now, the second one, we will translate the graph h, let me get a little separation there, h units right, this is right, and k units down. Okay. Any questions so far? This is just kind of general information. Another parent function. Which parent function is this? Absolute value. Okay. Just a renew of that. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Absolute value of -2 is 2. -1, 0, 1, 2. All right. -2, 2. -1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. Let me just split all those squares along that in half. I do a little bit at a time. It almost looks straight. Okay, so there's the absolute value graph, the parent function. Domain.
Negative infinity to infinity.
Is everybody good with that?
Yeah.
Negative infinity to infinity. The range. All right, so these two functions have that in common, right? Okay, so describe the translation of f of x equals the absolute value of x from the absolute value of x minus h plus k.
H units right.
Translate h.
We have to write translate, or can I just write H units and then,
That's fine.
okay,
H units right
K units up.
and k units up. This is right. Was it? It was right here also, right? The minus is right. And the plus here is up. Okay? Describe the translation of f of x equals absolute value of x from f of x equals the absolute value of x plus h minus k. We'll translate h units. What's this one? Left. What's this one? Down. K units down. H units left and K units down. Okay. Any questions there? So far, so good? Just the general on translations. Okay, let's work on this next page together. We are going to give the parent function name, describe the transformation represented here, then graph the parent function, and give the parent function and the given function on the same grid, give the domain and range. All right, so everybody catch all that? Let me get my multicolored here. All right, what's the name?
Quadratic.
This is quadratic. This is a quadratic function. Okay, give the name, and describe the transformation. We're going to shift or translate. I'm going to use the word shift this time. Describing the transformation, we're going to shift what?
4 units left
4 units left
and 2 units up.
and 2 units up. All agreed? Okay. Gave a good answer. Then graph the parent function. This is quadratic, so I'm going to do that in blue here. Remember 0, 0, 1, 1, 2 squared is 4, right? 3 squared is 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1. It's symmetric on the y-axis, so I just have to come over 3 units there. That symmetry's there. Is everybody with me here getting the... This is the parent function. This is f of x equals x squared in blue. Now,
Move everything over 4.
then let's do the shift, yeah. Take each point, shift it 4 left and 2 up. I'm going to take the vertex first. 1, 2, that's not left. 1, 2, 3, 4 left and 2 up. Yep. Keep an eye on me, guys, because I can't be trusted with left and right sometimes. So, 4 left, 2 up. Let's do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. I'm going to do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. I'll do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. He's there. 4. 1, 2. Right at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 is right there. Here's the graph of the given equation here. Okay, I'm going to... So we got that graph. Is everybody good? Keegan?
I'm confused on how you got the dots for the blue one.
The blue, that is the parent function. That's the same. That's the exact same one you plotted right here originally. That is the graph of f of x equals x squared. Okay? Good question. Is that good?
Yeah.
And then that's the one we're moving. That's the one we're translating with these rules. All right? Good question. Now, I'm going to keep it in yellow here for the domain of this function. What do you say for the domain, guys?
For which one? The yellow?
The yellow.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
All real numbers. Okay. We can do a negative infinity to infinity, or we can do the fancy R. The range
is negative 1, 2, negative 2.
0, no, it's -2.
Yeah.
negative 2?
Right. Yes.
I'm looking at y's, guys.
Where do you see? Oh, sorry. I thought it was
Oh.
it's 0, positive 2. -2.
Don't look at the blue. Just look at the yellow.
Oh, it's yellow. Yeah,
I'm still confused on
2.
Okay, let's get it answered first. Okay. 2?
2, positive 2.
Okay. The low point is 2. Agreed? Low point is 2. We shifted everything up to. We shifted the original, which we said started at 0. We shifted it up 2. So the new low point is 2. All right?
I was almost there. I said negative 2.
I think you were thinking that. Yes. Maybe because it was on the left, you were thinking negative.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. I am going to write f of x equals x plus 4 squared plus 2, just kind of indicate that that's the equation for that graph.
Will we get to use like a pencil, like a different color pencil on the test?
That might be nice. That's an option. Let me consider that.
Wait, x plus 4 squared what?
Plus 2, it's this. Yeah. All right. here's this. A function's parent function is the absolute value function. Which is f of x equals the absolute value of x, right? Parent function is the absolute value. F of x equals absolute value of x, and it is being shifted 2 units right and 1 unit down. Give the equation of the transformed function. Any thoughts? Jesse?
Is what would be like an absolute value of x plus minus 2
Mm-hmm.
and then minus 1.
Yes, good. Two units right is minus, 1 unit down is minus. Okay? All right. And then number 3, we're just looking at a graph. What kind of function are we dealing with here? Quadratic. This is quadratic.
Domain negative infinity, positive infinity.
Okay. Zach's giving us a domain. Let's go with it. What's the range here? Should I square that bracket off?
Yes.
That's the range. Okay, we haven't given the equation yet.
It's a parabola, so it would be quadratic, right?
Would be quadratic. All right. So I'll put that there. Put the x here.
Plus 1.
No, it'd be minus
So
2.
2 right. Is that a minus 2, everybody?
Minus 2 plus 1.
And then 1 up is plus 1.